ગુડ મોર્નિંગ. લાસ્ટ સેશનની અંદર આપણે ઇન્કમ ફ્રોમ અધર સોર્સ એના 3 પ્રેક્ટિકલ સમ કેલ્ક્યુલેટ કરેલા હતા. નાઉ નેક્સ્ટ એક્ઝામ્પલ નંબર 4, that is example number 3 of your book. Sri Jagdish Mathur is an Indian citizen and ordinary resident. Prepare a statement showing his taxable income from other sources from the details of statement of his income for assessment year 18-19 as given below. First, he has received on 15/4/2018 the total accumulated amount of rupees 6,80,000 from unrecognized provident fund, of which the employer's contribution was 2,80,000. The interest thereon was 60,000. He had retired on 31st March 2018. The employer and employee were contributing equally to unrecognized provident fund. Okay. Here unrecognized provident fund નું contribution આપેલું છે. That means employee નું contribution છે, એટલે કે કર્મચારીનું પોતાનું contribution છે, એના ઉપરનું જે interest છે એ income from other source માં taxable થશે. Here employer નું interest આપેલું છે, employer નું contribution આપેલું છે, પણ આપણે એવું કીધું છે કે both are contributing equally. So જેટલું એમ્પ્લોયરનું થશે એટલું જ એમ્પ્લોયનું થશે, તો એમ્પ્લોયનું ઇન્ટરેસ્ટ થશે 60,000. સેકન્ડ, એગ્રીકલ્ચર ઇન્કમ ફ્રોમ લેન્ડ ઇન યુપી ફ્રોમ ઇન્ડિયા. સો એગ્રીકલ્ચર ઇન્કમ ટોટલી ટેક્સ ફ્રી. પ્રાઇસ ફ્રોમ ક્રોસવર્ડ પઝલ. ઇન્ટરેસ્ટ રિસીવ્ડ ઓન ગવર્મેન્ટ સિક્યુરિટી. Interest received on tax-free commercial security. This is tax-free commercial security and amount of interest is given. Rate of TDS is 10%. Amount of third prize received for participating motor car race 50,000. Loss in card game. Any kind of loss or expense of gambling income or is totally exempt, disallowed from exemption. So this is not considerable. Next, interest on deposit in foreign company in dollar. Its rupees value was 3,500. Remuneration received for working as a judge in a beauty contest. Casual income 25,000 taxable. Interest due on KVP and IVP during the previous year. Both are taxable. Remuneration received for working as an examiner in university examination taxable. Interest due on during the previous year on post office national saving certificate totally taxable. Interest on 7% capital investment bond fully exempted government security. So એનું interest છે tax free થશે. Debenture interest received from Indian company. TDS 10%, amount of interest is given, so we have to calculate grossing up. Next, income from royalty after deducting expense 7,200 taxable. Gift from his uncle is blood relative પાસેથી gift મળશે એ exempted થશે, so 81,000 is not taxable. He has paid interest of rupees 1,500 on loan taken for making investment in debenture of Indian company. ઇન્ડિયન કંપનીના ડિબેન્ચરનું વ્યાજ છે એ ટેક્સેબલ છે, સો એને રિલેટેડ એક્સપેન્સ પણ બાદ મળવાપાત્ર છે. હી હેઝ પેઇડ ઇન્ટરેસ્ટ ઓફ રૂપીસ 3,000 ઓન બેંક લોન ટેકન ફોર મેકિંગ ઇન્વેસ્ટમેન્ટ ઇન શેર ઓફ ઇન્ડિયન કંપની ફ્રોમ whom નો ડિવિડન્ડ ઇઝ રિસીવ્ડ. સો ઇન્ડિયન કંપનીના શેર છે એના ઉપરનું ડિવિડન્ડ છે એ ટેક્સ ફ્રી છે, તો એને રિલેટેડ એક્સપેન્સ બાદ મળવાપાત્ર નથી. બેંક કમિશન પેઇડ ફોર ટ્રાન્સફરિંગ ઇન્ટરેસ્ટ ઓન ડિપોઝિટ ઇન ફોરેન કંપની ટુ ઇન્ડિયા. ધીસ ઇઝ ઓલ્સો allow as a deduction because foreign company નું જે interest છે એ taxable છે, એટલે એને related કોઈ પણ expense બાદ મળવા પાત્ર થશે. So statement prepare કરશું. Statement showing taxable income from other sources of Mr. Jagdish Mathur. Assessment year 2021, previous year 1920. Particulars, amount. A, taxable income. First, interest on unrecognized provident fund employees contribution. એમ્પ્લોયર કન્ટ્રીબ્યુશન 2,80,000 એના ઉપરનું ઇન્ટરેસ્ટ 60,000. સો એમ્પ્લોયીનું કન્ટ્રીબ્યુશન પણ થશે 280 અને એના ઉપરનું ઇન્ટરેસ્ટ થશે 60,000. સેકન્ડ, એગ્રીકલ્ચરલ ઇન્કમ ફ્રોમ લેન્ડ ઇન યુપી so from India exempted from income tax. Third, prize from crossword puzzle 1800, 5500, prize from crossword puzzle 5,500. Next, fourth, interest received on government security 1,800. Interest on government security 1,800. Next, fifth, interest received on tax-free commercial security, rate of TDS is 10%. Interest on commercial security, working note number 1. Interest on commercial security. Interest 100 minus TDS, rate of TDS is 10%, 90. So 90 amount of interest है 3600 तो 100 है how much 3600 multiplied by 100 divided by 90 4,000. Sixth, amount of third prize received for participating in motor car race. Prize from motor car race 50,000. Next, seventh, loss in card game not allowed 8. Interest on deposit in foreign company, interest on deposit in foreign company fully taxable 3,500. Next, interest remuneration received as a judge in beauty contest, remuneration as a judge 25,000. Next, interest due on KVP and IVP, interest on KVP and IVP interest on IVP, KVP નું interest 16425, IVP નું 8640. Next 11, remuneration received as a examiner. Examiner remuneration 2400. Next, interest due on NSE, $1480. Next, interest on post office saving bank account jointly held with spouse. Interest on post office saving bank account jointly, actual interest છે 6450 માઇનસ jointly માટે exempted છે 7000. સિંગલ અકાઉન્ટ હોય સિંગલ નેમ તો 3500. સો ટેક્સેબલ થશે નીલ. 14, interest on capital investment bond fully exempted. Fully exempted. Next, debenture interest received from Indian company. Interest on debenture, working note number 2. Note 2, interest on debenture. Interest assume करसी 100 less TDS 10%, so 90 amount of interest है 13500. 100 है how much? 13500 multiplied by 100 divided by 90, 15,000. Next, income from royalty. Income from royalty 7200. Next, gift from uncle fully exempted because blood relation માં જે પણ gift મળશે એ exempted છે. Total A 7200 plus 15,000 plus 1480 plus 2400 plus 8640 16425 25,000 3500 50,000 4,000 1800 5,500 and 60,000. 2,945. 2,945. 2,00945. This is taxable income. Less B, deduction allowed. First, deduction, he paid interest 1,500 for making investment in Indian company. Interest on loan for taken to purchase debenture. $1,500. Second, 3,000 not allowed because Indian company ના શેર ઉપરનું ડિવિડન્ડ ટેક્સ ફ્રી છે. નેક્સ્ટ 350 interest collection charges of foreign security. Interest collection charges of foreign security. $350 interest collection charges. Total 1850. This is B. A minus B taxable income minus 1850, 199,095. This is your answer. Next example, example number 5. That is example number 4 of your book. Sri Jhaverilal Gotawala is an author. You are required to compute his taxable income under the head income from other sources from the following details of income for financial year 2018-19 furnished by him. Royalty from the publication of novel and child story book 2,17,600. Expense incurred in this respect are typing 10,000, proofreading 5,700. First prize of ₹50,000 received from story competition organized by Nav Samaj, Navsarjan, a monthly magazine. Share dividend 6250, bank interest 9,300, income from investment in UTI, share dividend and UTI income is fully exempted. Remuneration of ₹10,000 earned on translation of Marathi novel in Gujarati. Interest received on 90,000 15% listed tax-free debenture of Kautilya Limited, TDS 10%. Statement prepare करशु. Statement showing taxable income from other sources of Mr. Gotawala. Particular amount. A. Taxable income. First, royalty. Total royalty is 2,17,600 less typing expense and proofreading charges 10,000 and 5,700. 2,17,600 2,17,600 minus 10,000 minus 5,700. 201,900. Next, second, first prize from story competition, prize received in story competition 50,000. Third, share dividend exempted. Interest, bank interest tax free, taxable. $9,300. Next, income from UTI exempted. Fourth, remuneration for translation. $10,000. Fifth, interest on debenture. Interest on debenture of Kautilya Limited. Working note number 1. Interest on debenture of Kautilya Limited. इंटरेस्ट कैलकुलेट करसी सौथी पहला 90,000 15%, 13,500. इंटरेस्ट अज्यूम करसी 100 माइनस TDS 10, 90 नेट 90, 13,500, then 100, how much? 15,000. 15,000. Total A plus 50,000 plus 9,300 plus 10,000 plus 15,000. 286,200. Less B, deduction not given, so 2,86,200. A minus B, taxable income. Here our sum is completed. In next session we will start our next example. Thank you.